Apply lip balm, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about a common phrase in English. Apply lip balm. This phrase is used in everyday language and it's important to understand both the words and the action they describe. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it in a conversation. Apply is a verb that means to put or spread something on a surface. In our phrase, lip balm is a noun, which is a substance used to moisturize and protect the lips. So, when we say, apply lip balm, we mean to spread the lip balm over the lips. It's a simple action that many people do, especially in cold or dry weather. You might use this phrase in different situations. For example, if your lips feel dry, you might say to a friend, "I need to apply lip balm." It's also a common instruction in skincare routines. The action itself is easy. You typically use your fingers or the lip balm stick to gently coat your lips with the balm. Let's see how this phrase fits into everyday conversations. 1. Asking for lip balm. Do you have any lip balm I can apply? 2. Offering advice. Your lips look dry. You should apply some lip balm. 3. During a routine, after brushing my teeth, I always apply lip balm. These examples show how versatile and commonly used this phrase is. And that's all about how to use the phrase, apply lip balm. Remember, it's all about context and the action of spreading the balm on your lips. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. Stay tuned for more English language tips.